Well, it may be Thanksgiving week, but there's no need to be a turkey when it comes to your HVAC system. Gary's here from Home Comfort Experts to tell us how we can keep that from happening. So I may be out of luck because I'm just a turkey, period. I mean, but tell me how we can call Home Comfort Experts and keep from being a turkey this holiday week.
Well, you know, if you have an older piece of equipment, you know, nobody wants to think around the holidays about replacing their furnace or air conditioner. And we're running a great special. It's 0% financing for 60 months. With the new system, you also get a filtration system to go with it. We've talked about that in the past, how important filtering the air that you breathe in your home. You know, your house is closed up all winter long. You want to be able to filter that air so there's dust and that type of thing's not circulating through your house.
It is the season. I mean, for everybody, with allergies and just all those germs that your kids are bringing home from school or you're bringing home from work, and that really can make a huge difference. All people have to do is call now through November 30th, right?
Yep, 490-5100. Call and set an appointment. You know, if you're not sure how your equipment's running, then we can send a service technician out there to do the maintenance, you know, $89 tune-up on the equipment. They will ask you to be part of the maintenance while you're doing that, so you could, you know, see what's going on. They, you know, inspect the heat exchanger. That way you're not caught. You know, we're not even really into wintertime yet. And
why do you say things like that? That's just hateful.
I'm just trying to get you ready. So, you know, we're not there yet, but, you know, January, February in Indiana can be long and cold.
Very cold and long. You're right. It seems like it drags on forever. And those furnaces, we've talked about that before, those furnaces run a lot. They turn on how many times a day?
You figure when it's really cold outside, they can turn on around 5-6 times an hour. You know, if you do the math on that, you know, I
can't do the math on that. That's a lot of math.
It's a lot, yeah. And that's, you need to, you know, a lot of people don't even think of maintenance on something like that, but would you run your car, you know, that long without ever having any maintenance done on it? So, you know, furnaces, air conditioners kind of get put in the rearview mirror. So.
Well, and here's the other thing. You're not home watching it for the most part. I mean, most of us are gone during the day, even if you're a stay-at-home mom. You're out running errands. You're running the kids to school. You're not there. And so for safety reasons, I want to know that it's safe and that it can fire all of those times in a safe manner, because I want to come home to a warm house and I want to come home to a house that's still standing.
And a lot of people head south over the wintertime, Christmas vacation. A lot of people go south. You want to be able to not worry, you know, peace of mind.
I want to be able to go south, Gary.
Me too.
I'd like to get that get going. If somebody calls and makes that appointment, you guys are going to come out and tell them what it is they need to. Yeah,
we size the house to see how many BTUs of heat you need to keep your house warm. We size the air conditioner, you know, for the summertime to see what it's going to take to keep it cool. And they will sit down with you and go through all your options.
Let's talk briefly too. We have a lot of people in our house during the holidays. Sometimes we have plumbing issues. You guys, we can call you for those issues, right?
Absolutely. This is, excuse me, a very popular time of the year. People are putting a lot of things down the drain that they shouldn't be.
I don't know what you're talking about, like the time that I killed my garbage disposal from the carrot peelings. Yes. Yep,
they put those down the disposal, down the drain, grease, that type of thing, and it will harden in that drain line and back up. We do have plumbers come out and take care of that for you. Also, people are, this time of year, getting ready to cook a lot of turkeys.
Yeah.
You know, we talk about CO, carbon monoxide in homes, quite a bit. You don't think about it. An oven sitting there running for, how long does it take to cook a turkey?
I have no idea. That's the honest truth. I don't have a clue how long. But if somebody wants to make one and wants me to come taste test it, I'll be glad to do it.
Right.
Yes.
But, you know, you figure 4, 5, 6 hours it's running, and anything that burns puts off carbon monoxide, and that builds up in your home if it's not ventilated properly. You know, a lot of people, you see somebody lifting the window, that's what they're doing, is trying to let extra heat and carbon monoxide out. So
You guys are glad to help with all of those things. All it takes is that simple phone call, right?
That's correct, 490-5100.
All right. Give them a call today, and don't be a turkey. Give them a call. You can get that free air filtration system and that 0% financing, which is perfect for the holidays. You can stay on that budget that Heather was talking about and still get the HVAC system that you need. We'll be right back.